Well, hello there. I'm Rick Danger. I study things that, may not exist, but actually really do. I have chased Bigfoot, the Yeti, the Loch Ness Monster, and many other mysterious creatures. Great Minnesota chicken. Now, many think it's a myth, but I today have followed it to its lair, and I'm going to track it down, and I'm going to show that there is evidential proof that there is such a thing as a big Minnesota chicken. What's that? I believe I hear it right now. Oh man, it is alive. I am going to try to shoot it with a tranq gun. Hopefully I can get a live specimen, because people don't believe it when it's dead. They'll just say it's fake. Oh, blast. It's too far away for a dart. Oh, it's making a run for it. I gotta chase it. Give me this. Alright, so we're going on a chase. Oh, look over here. Twig's been broken. I'm pretty sure it went down this trail. This is where it gets good. This is where it gets dangerous. Alright, let's go. I lost him. Shoot. Now where would a big chicken be in the middle of the woods? Wait. What's that over there? Look at it. It's beautiful. And it's real. I'm gonna go in and chase it and get it. I can sneak up on it. It hears me. Shoot. Ah, come back here. Look at that thing run. It's amazing. Oh, what the world? A tractor? What's that? Oh no. It's headed for the house. No! Run and get in the house! Get in the house! Oh no! A baseball bat. That's what I need. Oh, by George, he's headed into Backus. No, I must stop it before it heads there. Oh shoot, I gotta tell my mom first. Mom! Mom!
What?
I'm going into town!
What for?
Friends!
Friends? Well,
Yes.
pick me up some eggs.
Mom!
Pick me up some eggs.
Oh, fine! Can't believe this is happening. This is horrible. Look, I'm gonna have to break the speed limit and go 65. I just hope I can make it in time. Oh, the fireman's fish fry. We're gonna have to take the bumpy roads. Hold on! Oh my! Oh! Oh, Malibus are just not made for the off-roading. Oh. I can cut time if we go to the back roads. Should we? Let's do it. Let's go. Oh my. I don't know if we're gonna make it. We'll try. I just hope I can get there and Backus in time. I tracked the chicken into the town of Backus. I have no idea where it is though. Let's hope we can find it. Excuse me there! Excuse me! Have you seen a big chicken anywhere?
Yeah, freaking is huge, man. It's down there.
Down there? Thank you. Oh, the Backus dog. Have you seen a huge chicken?
No, I haven't.
You have not? Is it anywhere near here? Oh! What is that? There it is. It's in town. This is horrible. You know how horrible this is?
It's freaking nasty, man.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna catch it. Don't worry. You're safe with me. I must be very careful. Oh man, look at it. It's just walking. It doesn't even care. It's gonna get caught. No, stay back. It's too dangerous. Stay back. If I can sneak up on it, I can maybe pounce on it. No, don't go in the bar. I think it heard me. No! No! Come back! Come back! Come back here! You can't hide behind that giant corn cob. Oh, I've lost him. No. Wait. There he is. He's gonna hear me if I sneak up on him. I gotta try something else. Oh, this is insane. I wonder if anyone saw it. Excuse me.
No.
Has anyone seen a big chicken? A big chicken just ran by. Did it run by?
Yeah, right there.
Big chicken? That way? Alright, thank you, thank you. Alright, now I know I'm not a tour guide or anything, but since we're looking at monumental stuff in Minnesota, just to point out, Backus is home to the giant corn cob, Colonel Cobber. He's right there on your right. Oh, maybe they saw the chicken. Excuse me, citizens of Backus, have you seen a giant chicken anywhere? What? It went over there?
No.
Okay, thanks man. See you later. Have a nice day, enjoy your Coke. There it is.
Steve, look at that thing. What is it?
Have you guys just saw that chicken?
Yeah.
Or am I daydreaming?
Oh, we seen it.
Grandma!
Yeah.
Grandma!
What?
Have you seen a giant chicken somewhere?
No. Do you want some candy?
Candy? Yeah, sure I'll have some candy. Oh, almond joys. Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too. I hope you find that crazy yellow chicken.
All right, thank you. Bye, Grandma.
Bye.